Some people want to ask some question tonight, and I hope you give me some answer in the comment section. First, tell me why we suffer so much at Jamaica. Because of the people that we vote for. Tell me why you vote for this Prime Minister. Tell me what you see him do will benefit you and the rest of we Jamaican. Tell me 10 things where you can say, yes, them things there are 10. You know what? Tell me 5. Tell me why so many people are mad out. And because I'm having fun? Tell me in the comment section. Tell me why my video them seems to not be showing up on YouTube. And because of the content, they put up some video where I have the same name as other people. And my one them still not get no views. Tell me if Jamaica run good. Yeah man. More I know if Jamaica run good in your eyes. And if I say yes, tell me which part of Jamaica you come from. Yeah man. Tell me if a $5,000 where people then get paid to vote for this party, if they still have some of my money left. Tell me in the comment section. Tell me why the people them way seems not to care about the people them and put the people them first. Always run for Prime Minister. Tell me how come when I get me insurance money and me get no one car accident around almost 2 years ago. Tell me how I get the money yet. Tell me if you feel say the government really care about we the citizen. Because if they don't care, they don't force these people to pay with money faster. Tell me why in a pandemic the light bill get higher and Digicel steady raising them data. Tell me in the comment section. Tell me why you think me have my radio up so loud right now. Because I want my neighbor them here. Me answer that for you. So my people, do me a beg, you know. Give me some answer down in the comment section. Be blessed. One God.